I found this large ghost at the Dollar Tree and removed his arms with my rotary cutter. I painted the bottom portion white. It's our Snow Owl by Wise Owl. Then I took this carrot left over from Easter and glued it upside down on his face. I took this buffalo check from the Dollar Tree and hot glued it to that top portion, gluing a little cuff and wrapping it around the back. Then I'm going to take a piece of jute and tie it around the top. I took a big portion of raffia. I'm going to tie it around near the cuff area and create a bow. I'm going to take some felt from the Dollar Tree and make a cuff for the bottom of the hat. I have this leaf garland. I'm going to take several leaves and glue it under the raffia. I had this pumpkin left over from the Dollar Tree. Once dried, I'm going to take more of my buffalo check material and glue it to the pumpkin and cut the excess material with my pinking shears. Then I'm going to glue the top portion of this gnome to the pumpkin. I switched out the nose to a bigger craft ball. The one that I had was way too small. I had this block of wood. I'm going to use Elmer's glue, a little bit of hot glue for that instant hold, and glue my gnome to the block. And this is just going to allow him to stand and give him stability. I took these leftover Easter eggs and painted them black for his feet. And then I'm going to glue the top portion of my gnome to the little Easter eggs using Jenga blocks. I found this garland at the Dollar Tree. It was in the plus section. And I'm going to glue a portion of it to my gnome and cut off the excess. I think this came out really cute, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitofancy.com. Thank you.